Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So we're going to be doing a quick consultation video today, just showing you what we use for our consultations in the salon. We're very lucky that Joico produced these, and these are our colour match kits. They allow us to determine what colours are going to suit our clients, and then we have the Joico consultation kit as well, and this allows us to see if it's natural, cool and underlying pigments, also determining the level of the hair. So Stacey is grabbing the level finder, and we have a natural side and a cool side. So what we want to see is, what is our client's hair sort of kicking out? Is it on the warmer side, being natural, or is it on a cooler side? So we can see here we're working on a natural level 7. So when it comes to level 7, we then grab our consultation kit and we want to determine now what the underlying pigment is, so the client can see it's very, very visual. So we're looking there at oranges. We're showing clients what we have to lift through to get to their desired colour. And then our colour match kit, these pages are pulled out of the sleeve, and then we are placing them around the client's face to determine what colours and tones and levels are really going to suit them. So these come in cool and warm, dark and light, and soft and bright. This allows us to really nail on what is going to suit our client, and then also they get to see how their skin tone changes and other factors change when we put it around the face. One of the main things to look for is sort of darkness around the eyes, or if anything brightens. That's something that we really notice and clients notice. When we place different levels, such as the dark and light, they can see their face change. And this is a vital piece of kit that we use in consultations to determine what colour will suit you best. So if you would love to get your hands on these consultation kits, if you're a hairdresser, contact Joico and see if you can grab one from your distributor or from Joico direct, but they are a main player when it comes to doing a perfect consultation. Thank you much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.